The Department of Physical Education at Goa Multi-Faculty College celebrated the National Sports Day on 29th August 2020. The day commemorates the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyanchand Singh.
Welcome to the celebration of National Sports Day of India.
The function began with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. The principal in his address gave insights about National Sports Day and the life of Major Dhyanchand Singh. He also mentioned how a world leader like Hitler was mesmerized by the skill possessed by Major Dhyanchand Singh. The principal also congratulated the Department of Physical Education and the students of the college for their achievements in sports.
Lord of hockey का जादूगर of Bengal. He had a lot of accomplishment with Germany at that time. Hitler, who was the ruler at that time, happens to be watching him playing the game. He was so impressed with his stick that he started doubting whether there is some magic or magnet in the stick wherein the ball doesn't go out of the stick. He is concerned. I am happy to inform you that our college has been doing extremely well in sports.
As a mark of respect for the athletes, a poster was launched saluting them for their relentless efforts, hard work, dedication, and all their sacrifices. Mr. Elroy Pinto gave a brief report about the sports activities for the academic year 2019-2020.
GNFC Premier League was organized, which was a unique concept, first time organized at college level in the state of Goa. We also organized Sports Mania, which is an annual inter-class cum inter-department event consisting of various traditional games. For the first time this year, the College Sports Council was formed.
A video highlighting the importance of National Sports Day was also shown to the students. A video of mask making, poster making, and a fitness and sports skill video making competition were also shown to the students. The function concluded with Assistant Professor Mr. Shubham Naik proposing the vote of thanks.